National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Tyler County and southeastern Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Warren, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near Spurgeon around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fred around 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ivanhoe and Gillister. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.